Warning. The structure is unstable or ill-conditioned. Have you ever encountered this message after you completed the ETABS analysis and wondered how to solve this? Watch carefully as this video will show you how to deal with this kind of instability message. Before we proceed, kindly hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be updated with more ETABS tips like this. Two of the reasons of ETABS model instability message is because of the inadequate support conditions and the negative eigenvalues are found in the model. To fix the support inadequacy, unlock the model and go to Plan. And select Base. Click OK. Select all the joints in the base and assign Fixed Support as restraints. For the model to be stable, number of negative eigenvalues should equal to 0. To locate the negative eigenvalues in the model, we will run the standard solver option. But in the meantime, before we run the standard solver, go to Define P delta and set the P delta to none. This is to save the analysis time as running through a standard solver takes an hour or more to complete. To run a standard solver, go to Analyze, Advanced Sapphire Options. Tick the standard solver radio button and click OK. Once the standard solver analysis has been completed, investigate the joints having values with more than 11 digits loss accuracy. As those joints causes a negative stiffness error. Notice that the X, Y, and Z coordinate location of the said values are shown in the analysis log, which we can easily locate into the model. Locating these points will eventually fix the instability message. How? Stay tuned for our next video on how to do it. In the meantime, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified. Thanks for watching.